If I told you there's a way to make money in crypto without waiting for price to pump or without crazy risk or sleepless nights, and with a very simple strategy? Guys, the answer lies in crypto arbitrage. And thanks to CoinMarketCap for making this so easy for us to find, right? These hidden tokens are so easy to find in the CoinMarketCap application or the website, either way. But in this video, we're going to be using the application for that, right? So I'm going to show you the fastest way to spot these price discrepancies before they correct and how to exploit exchanges and make this trade seamlessly. And finally, I'll show you the exact trick to automate your edge. So this isn't log or a game of probability, right? And this is just smart trading. And the best part is that you can start today. And there are do's and don'ts attached to arbitrage that most YouTubers don't tell people about. But I'm gonna share that with you in this video to avoid losses, right? So now, without wasting much time, for the newbies that don't know what arbitrage trading is, arbitrage trading is simply the art of buying crypto assets from a platform at a lower price and then selling that asset to another platform at a higher price. So in real life example, it's like buying a shoe from the United States of America at $10 per pair, then transporting it to maybe, let's say, Africa, and selling it because maybe it's been sold over here at $50 per pair, right? And then maybe the cost of transport from the United States to Africa costs $10. So total of what you spent from the United States to Africa is $20, and then what you're going to sell it is $50. That means you have a profit of $30. All right, so the transportation cost is the network fee that the crypto exchanges platform do accept, right? And the place of lower price is United States and the place of higher price is Africa. This is just example for you to understand, right? Now the next question you probably want to ask is, where can we find these arbitrage opportunities? Like I told you before, this is where CoinMarketCap comes in. So CoinMarketCap is the world's most trusted and widely used cryptocurrency data platform, and it provides real-time and historical price data and their volumes. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into Play Store or the App Store in order to get this CoinMarketCap application. So when you get to Play Store, I'm using an Android phone, so I'm going to use Play Store. So when you get to Play Store, all you have to do is to click on this search icon over here, right? So when you click on the search icon, just search for CoinMarketCap, just like this, right? So this is how the logo looks like, and all you have to do is to click on install, right? So mine is already installed, that's why you're seeing open right here. So after installing it, you're gonna go and actually open this CoinMarketCap to explore these opportunities. So guys, we are now on CoinMarketCap, and over here you're going to see a lot of coins with their market cap, their prices, their 24 hours change. There are a lot of details entailed in this CoinMarketCap application, and there are also a lot of arbitrage opportunities, which if you stick with me and subscribe to the channel and then turn on the notification bell, you're going to be getting updates each and every time we do drop any of our arbitrage opportunities, or any arbitrage opportunity or any money making opportunity that we can find out there. So you can search or find any coin of your choice, any coin of your choice that will work for you. Let me go with this TWT. I think this is Trust Wallet token, right? Over here, right? Let me just click on it and see if we can find any arbitrage opportunity. So whenever you click on any token or any asset, the next thing you want to do is to actually go over to the market section right here, right? So all you have to do is to click on this market. So when you click on market, it's going to give you, or it's going to send you to another interface that is going to display for you all the exchanges that this TWT is being actually sold or bought or traded in essence, right? So as you can see, it's on Binance, Bybit, BitGet, Mexi, Get.io. So if I'm going to click on this pair over here, pair age, you're going to see other exchanges, hundreds of exchanges, I think, that this TWT is being traded. And over here, you're going to see volume, right? 24 hours volume. So what I told you, or the do's and don'ts that people don't normally tell you, is that when a coin has a low volume on an exchange, and let's say a coin has a volume of $50,000 or maybe $10,000 on an exchange, and the liquidity of the coin is, let's say, not 500, right? Maybe the liquidity is somewhere between 50 or 100, meaning that only 50 or 100 people are willing to buy or sell or trade that coin on that exchange. Then when you buy, let's say, a coin worth of $1,000, or that asset worth of $1,000 or $2,000, maybe you're using a high capital, then it's gonna take a lot of time before it actually executes your order, because there's no much buying and selling. There's no much volume in the platform that you're using. That's why it's advisable to actually use platforms that have high volume, just like this, less like Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Bitget, and so on and so forth. You're going to see some platform having just, let's say, $3,000 worth of volume within 24 hours. So if you're going to use $5,000 to buy, then I think you're going to take up to 48 hours before your trade get executed, and that's not what we are looking for, right? We just want our trade to, actually, we just want to buy and sell ASAP, so that we can search for other crypto arbitrage opportunities out there. So take note, please, if you are actually engaging in arbitrage, don't go for the price differences, because on some exchanges that are not even legit, you're going to see maybe this TWT is being traded at 0.779, and you go to other exchanges that maybe are not even listed among the legit exchanges, you're going to see this same TWT being traded at maybe $2 or $5 or $10. So don't let that price lure you, right? It's better to invest heavy and get small interest, or get small gain, than invest heavy and start speaking English for to the customer care services that your money has been hooked and you don't even know how to pull it out or something like that. To avoid problem, you just have to stick with the volume and the liquidity, and check the legitimacy of that website, right? So it's been sold, right? So this asset right here is being sold on Binance at 0.7795, and it's sold on Bybit on 0.7786. so the difference is not that much. So one thing about arbitrage is that the more your profit, the more your capital, the more your profit, right? So if you want to trade those two, right, you want to trade this two on maybe you want to buy on Binance, since it's cheaper on, no, I think it's cheaper on Bybit, right? 0.7786, and it's more expensive on Binance, 0.7795. so now let's see if the arbitrage opportunity is still there, right? So guys, I just refreshed the page and saw that the price has actually changed, and it's more cheaper on Binance now than on Bybit. So let's quickly see how we can explore these opportunities. So take for instance, we want to use a capital of, let's say, $1,000 to buy this Trust Wallet token, okay? To buy this Trust Wallet token on Binance, not Bybit, since it's now cheaper on Binance. So
Are you tired of guessing your way through the crypto market? Losing trades? Missed opportunities? It doesn't have to be this way. Introducing Cash Course, a signal community where we provide real-time crypto signals tailored to help you maximize gains and minimize risks. Join our signal group and unlock daily futures trading signals for massive profits, expert spot trading signals to stay ahead, hot meme token signals to ride the trends, powerful arbitrage signals to maximize earnings. Don't trade blind, trade smart with our expert insights. Join us today and take control of your financial future. Enjoy your trading journey with us.
We are going to use $1,000 to buy it, and it's going to give us 1,285 worth of Trust Wallet token. So now let's go back to Bybit to see how much this 1,285 worth of Trust Wallet token we're going to have in USDT. We are now on Bybit, and we already have 1,285 worth of Trust Wallet token in our wallet. So we have already sent it. Assuming we've sent it to Bybit, we're just going to click over this place and type 1285, and we're having 1,001 USDT. Have you seen how small the capital is? This is a sign that these platforms are actually legit, because the difference between the platforms isn't much, right? But the secret is that you can do this unlimited times in a single day, right? You can do it more than once, you can do it more than 10 times, 20, 50. If you've got the time, you can do it 100 times. So now that we know that we have $1.2 for every 1,000, right? So let's go back to Binance to see how much the network fee is going to cost us, so that we can know that at the end of the day we are going to be profitable. Okay, so we're now on Binance. All we have to do is to locate the asset section right here at the bottom right corner of our screen. So when you get to the asset section, click on withdraw right here. Okay, you click on withdraw and search for TWT, right? Search for TWT, that's the name of the token. Okay, and we're gonna see so it supports BEP20. So when we click on this place over here, it's gonna display the network charge. So I think we are only gonna be charged 0.5 worth of USDT. All right, and keep in mind this this asset fluctuates, right? The price fluctuates. As you can see at the beginning of this video, it was more expensive on Binance and cheaper on Bybit, but as time went on, it became cheaper on Binance and then more expensive on Bybit, right? So this is telling you that it's not all the time that you're going to be seeing $1 or $2. Sometimes it goes as high as $8. Yeah, I've traded this TYT between Binance and Bybit, and I made $8 on just one single trade. So if you're going to be using this, or if you're going to be, actually going through these platforms and searching for opportunities, you're going to see a lot of opportunities that are actually going to make you profitable. And one thing about arbitrage is that, unlike trading that you get subjected to loss sometimes, on arbitrage you mostly get back your money. That's if you didn't make profit, right? So now, since we have a fee of 0.5, that means we are making 0.5 USDT for every transaction. And just imagine you made 50 transactions, because this is so easy. You just have to buy USDT and then buy TYT, send that TYT to Bybit, and then sell that TYT back to USDT. That's just how you're going to be doing this transaction. So if you are able to make 50 transactions maybe, or 100 transactions in a day, give or take, you made 100 transactions. Now you're going to multiply 0.5, which is your profit, multiplied by 100 to see how much you can stand to get in a single day. So we're on our calculator and we've got 0.5 USDT, and maybe let's say we did this arbitrage maybe 100 times a day. We're gonna end up with 50 USDT every single day. This is the minimum amount I'm sure you can be able to be making every day with this strategy that I'm just showing you. And please watch out for those exchanges that actually lure you by showing you a large difference between bigger exchanges and those type of exchanges. You're going to see tokens that are being sold on big exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Get.io at maybe $2, and other exchanges are being trading that exchange that asset at, let's say, $10. So do not get that, don't let that lure you. Check the volume, check the liquidity, check it on check the reviews on App Store or Play Store, right, to see how legit those type of websites are. Sometimes arbitrage are sensitive, and within a blink of an eye you can fall victim of scams and Ponzi. So please do respect the little gains, because step by step a journey of 1,000 miles is accomplished. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a nice day. Ciao.
Why not you? You've got the brains, you can make decisions, you can change your life, you can make your dreams come true, you can build a financial wall around your family nothing can get through. Why not you?